Hey, what's up everyone? It's Karan here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing a product that's been getting a lot of attention lately. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, and most importantly, whether it's actually worth your money. I'll break down the features, the pros and cons, and share my honest opinions after checking out everything. So let's jump into it, and I'll walk you through the full breakdown step by step. And if this review helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more reviews, tutorials, and bonus bundles for you guys regularly. Let's get started. So, guys, today I'm going to review a product which is called GeminAI Agent. You can unlock the world's first Gemini 3.1 agentic set and forget AI empire that runs on your own dedicated Google grade private server that you will be getting free if you purchase this product. It claims that it will let you automate your life, build your businesses, reply to emails, and it can also buy you concert tickets on the cheap. So Gemini Agent, AI Agent comes with the entire Google AI Ultra suite with a cost of $250 per month value, plus your private ghost server ready to deploy in 60 seconds. So with this AI tool, you can become the CEO of your own AI startup. Forget the $500 per month subscription bleed, your private ghost server, the Google AI Ultra suite unlocked. You can also get it is one time fee, which is highest payment configuration, Google grade cloud server. You get Gemini Agent autonomous engine. You get persistent long term memory, zero electricity hardware cost, total data privacy built on the same Google infrastructure, full commercial license included, books, you get YouTube Premium and over 30 TB of storage, generate human like crisp and clear answers, create high quality affiliate websites, sales, get number one ranking in Google. You can craft high converting marketing materials. You also get Nano Banana Pro, Notebook LM, DeepThink, Varia, View 3.1, built-in voice command. You can automate repetitive routine tasks and you can use the translation model. So if you're paying £20 for ChatGPT, you need better writing. So you again pay £20, $20 on Claude. If you need images, you pay $25 for Midjourney. If you need coding, you pay Cursor. You subscribe to Cursor and you also subscribe to Opus Code. If you want video generation from Veo, unfiltered intel from Grok, and massive context of Gemini AI, you will be bleeding around 200, 300, or $500 every single month. But here's the cold truth that AI startups don't tell you. You are the one jumping between 15 different browser tabs, trying to remember which AI is best, copy paste text prompts and results, paying hundreds of dollars, but you're still doing 100% of manual labor. You're not an AI entrepreneur, you're an AI operator, you're a high paid intern for your own software. So this cycle will end and AI is officially dead, wherein you can act like a CEO of your own startup, backed by $5 trillion company. Until now, if you wanted the best AI on the planet, you were stuck with three deliver options. Option number one, pay hundreds of dollars a month to massive corporations for fragmented subscriptions that bleed. Option number two, trust risky AI startups with your businesses. data and pray they don't have another security breach. Option 3, stick to the free versions that are slow, outdated, and hallucinate more than they can help. But with this software, the actual cost is $197. But if you purchase it today, it's going to cost you $12 only. So starting today, there is another better, faster, safer, and cheaper option for you. So this is the world's first Gemini 3.1 Pro agent mode powered set to set and forget empire. That is what this AI claims. So they have built an entire autonomous infrastructure backed by the world's first cloud company. Again, it's a ghost server. You get paid $430 per day by plugging any affiliate link into Gemini Agent on your own dedicated Google grade ghost server. Step 1, log into the Gemini AI Agent cloud based dashboard. Step 2, deploy Gemini Agent with one click. And step 3, command and conquer. So these are the steps you have to follow once you have access to the AI tool. Let's learn what is Gemini Agent. So it's an experimental AI feature from Google that will act as an autonomous assistant designed to handle complex multi-step tasks by interacting with Google apps like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and Maps. So it's an agent which is an executive assistant. So imagine waking up and seeing that while you were asleep and your Gemini agent server had logged in into your email, scanned every thread, identified three hide ticket leads, and sent them personalized human like replies in your tone that close the deal. Built you an entire affiliate website using DeepThink, the project you've been postponing for years. It can also monitor Ticketmaster and snipe two front row seats to the to that sold out Shakira concert the millisecond they went on sale, beating the bots by a fraction of a second. It can also manage your social media empire, generating 5 viral Veo 3.1 videos and 10 Nano Banana Pro images, scheduling them at the exact moment your audience was most active. It can also edit your photos from your last trip with Nano Banana Pro and share them on WhatsApp with the whole family. It can snag a 7 p.m. table at the impossible to book Michelin star restaurant because it got a cancellation at 3:14 a.m. while you were sleeping. It can also plan a 5-day trip to Tokyo for under $2,000. Flight, hotels, itinerary, restaurant reservations, all dropped in your Google Calendar. It can also read 200 pages of research material with Notebook LM and deliver a finished competitor analysis brief, the work of a $90,000 per year analyst done in 4 minutes. So Gemini Agent has a digital soul, unlike Claude GPT, ChatGPT and Claude. It knows your business goals, it knows your writing skills, it knows your preferences, it knows your customers. So here's what the users have to say about Gemini AI Agent. So I'm not going to go through the whole feedback. You can simply pause the video and you can just go through what the users have to say about this AI tool. So the Google Ultra AI Ultra Vault, which is a $250 per month tool of premium tools at your command. So the heavy hitters included in your server. Again, it's Gemini 3.1 Pro, Nano Banana Pro, DeepThink Veo 3.1, Notebook LM, Lyria, Fluent Whisk, and YouTube Premium with no ads. So no restrictions, no monthly fees. You can go crazy with as many text prompts as you want. There are zero restrictions with GeminAI Agent. So this is why Google crushes the startups. $5 trillion of trust versus a risky bet. So these are some pointers. You can simply just go through the pointers by pausing the video. Coding benchmarks. It writes more correct code on the first try. Agentic benchmarks. Gemini beats OpenClaw and covered on Babarina. More tasks completed. Lower cost. Reasoning benchmarks. Again, it does well on reasoning benchmarks. Gives you speed up to 3.4x faster token output than Claude Opus 4.7. Total freedom, zero risk. So you're finally free from the hardware trap. Zero local resources, zero electricity cost. Total security and privacy works from anywhere. No subscription juggling. No outsourcing needed. No technical hassles ever. No coding skills needed. No guessing which AI to use. You could become the next big app developer. You can become the go-to guy for number one Google ranking. Turn yourself into a movie star, singer, or artist. The possibilities are limitless. So it's time to take the shortcut for instant results and finally cash in just like the big guys. All with one click, all 100% automated inside Gemini AI Agent. I've already taken you through all the possibilities. I'm not reading it again for you. So the one thing which I wanted to explain is it also has a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, if you feel that this tool is not good enough for you, you can simply reach out to customer support for refund within 30 days. So I'm going to take you through some bonuses. So the total cost of the bonuses that is included in this AI tool, if you purchase it, is $4,985. So bonus number one would be the AI Agency Masterclass with a cost of $997. Bonus number two would be the Gemini Agent Automation Vault, which is again $997. Bonus number three would be one-click app builder with a value of $497. Bonus number four would be the 3 a.m. concierge script, which is $997. And bonus number five would be unlimited commercial license with a value of $1,497. Anyone can do this, and it only takes a few clicks. You can simply watch the demo video, which again you can go through. I'll be placing the link in the description for you. You can simply click on it. You can come through the page. You can just check the demo video by yourself. To income like this at the touch of a button, you can see this is how you receive the payments. Again, these are some proofs, some of the results. You can simply stop, you can pause the video, you can just go through the results, the feedbacks. As I mentioned earlier, that it is guaranteed or your money back 100% risk free. We'll just go through some frequently asked questions just to clarify some of your questions if you have any. Does Gemini AI agent work on any device? Yes. Gemini agent is a cloud based software that can be accessed from any device or operating system. There's nothing to download or install. Does GeminAI agent cost a monthly fee? When you act now, you're getting one-time access to GeminAI agent without ever having to pay a monthly fee. Do I need any tech skills or experience to make this work? No. GeminAI agent is seamless and 100% newbie friendly. Will this work to create content in any niche? Definitely. Is support and training included? Absolutely. By purchasing today, you can get instant access to the training portal and 24/7 support desk. So again, you can get started with this revolutionary new software today, which is gonna cost you just £12. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe.